How to fix PlayStation suspended account 2026. So if you want to fix your PlayStation suspended account 2026, then here are some steps to resolve the issue and regain access to your account. So step 1 is check your email. Look for an email from PlayStation regarding the suspension. This email usually contains details about why your account was suspended and any necessary actions that you need to take. Step 2 is review PlayStation's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with PlayStation's terms of service and community guidelines. Understanding the rules can help you identify any potential violations that may have led to the suspension. Step 3. Submit an appeal. If you believe the suspension was a mistake, you can submit an appeal, go to the PlayStation support website, and find the account suspension section. And fill out the appeal form with relevant details. Step 4 is wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. It may take several days for PlayStation to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Step 5. Follow up. If necessary, if you don't receive a response within a reasonable time, then consider reaching out to PlayStation support directly. Provide them with your account information and any previous correspondence related to your suspension. So by following these steps, you can work towards resolving your suspended account issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.